welcome to the worldwide recession. Right now, everything's going up, but everybody's pay. Due to inflation, I'm looking at different ways to earn extra money every week. And I don't mean like side hustles, so to speak. I mean like things that any type of urban homesteader could do. And one of the ways that I looked at earning extra money is upcycling furniture and selling it either on Facebook Marketplace or the flea mall there in Gardendale. So I figure an investment of a couple of cans of spray paint and a can of varnish and a couple hours of my time, I could take this free desk and like a $20 investment, turn around and sell it on Facebook Marketplace or up at the flea mall there in Gardendale, like $100, $150, something like that. So that's what I plan on doing today, is taking and upcycling that industrial desk into something more usable. All right, so this wood got wet at some point in time, and there's actually a rise right along in here. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is take and sand this smooth. So this will be a kind of a semi-flat surface. Now that I've got this stripped down just to the basic frame, I can start working on the wood. I'm going to start on the bottom of the top shelf to get some of this white mold looking stuff off of it and sand it all down. I got all the wood sanded and stained with the exception of the feet, and I'm gonna do those last because I'm actually gonna replace them. So if I leave it just like it is, I'll be able to take and spray paint this without touching the ground. Originally, I was going to replace the rotted wood that was on these feet with just some 2x4s, but I've got some cork gasket material, and I think I'm just going to make some pads to glue to the bottom of these feet. So there's my first attempt at upcycling furniture or redoing furniture. And it took me 2 cans of spray paint, which was $5.95 each, and then a small can of varnish that was like $7, and 2 hours of my time. My sister-in-law was nice enough to list it on Facebook Marketplace for, because she deals with that stuff all the time and I don't. So we listed it for $150. So you figure 20 something dollars worth of materials and all that, and I get a return investment of like $120. Probably give her, $20 for listing it or something like that, but still clear $100. So that'll give me my $100 for the week. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.